Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore how to connect MailerLite to BigCommerce. If you're new to MailerLite, don't miss the free trial link in the description below. For those of you already on board, simply log in and follow along. First, you'll need to create a Zapier account to establish the connection between MailerLite and BigCommerce. On the Zapier dashboard, click Create and then select Zaps. If you need any guidance, the co-pilot is here to help. Choose both MailerLite and BigCommerce from the available options and fill in the necessary details on the right side of the screen. To link your MailerLite account, click Sign In and log into MailerLite. Repeat this step to log into your BigCommerce account. Make sure to add store hash and access token details, and your accounts will be connected. Then configure the settings and click on Publish, and you're done. Hopefully this video will help you. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.